Welcome to a world of exploration, where each revelation brings new excitement. Emerging technologies in agriculture and farming, cultivating the future. Welcome to a realm where innovation meets cultivation, where the age-old art of farming intertwines with cutting-edge technology to shape the future of agriculture. In this channel, we invite you to witness the fascinating journey into emerging technologies that are reshaping the way we grow food, nurture the land, and sustain our planet. Step into the heart of the agricultural revolution as we explore a dynamic landscape of innovation. From AI-driven precision farming to vertical gardens and smart sensors, join us on an expedition through the latest breakthroughs that are transforming the very core of agriculture. Delve into the realm of sustainable practices that are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Witness the fusion of biology and data as we unveil the wonders of bioengineering, genetic editing, and precision planting techniques. Explore how advanced sensors and drones are revolutionizing crop monitoring and resource management, reducing waste and optimizing yields. Experience firsthand the integration of IoT, Internet of Things, devices that connect fields, machinery, and livestock like never before. Discover how real-time data analysis and predictive models empower farmers to make informed decisions, resulting in higher productivity and reduced environmental impact. This channel is not only about the tools but also the transformative impact of these technologies on global food security and resource conservation. We'll discuss the role of vertical farming in urban environments, the potential to combat climate change through innovative agricultural practices, and how digital platforms are connecting farmers across the globe to share knowledge and best practices. Join us in thought-provoking discussions on the ethical, societal, and economic implications of these rapid advancements. We'll explore the potential to revolutionize rural economies, empower small-scale farmers, and pave the way for sustainable and resilient food systems. Whether you have a green thumb, a passion for technology, or a vested interest in the future of our planet, this channel is your gateway to understanding the dynamic fusion of innovation and agriculture. Subscribe now and embark on a journey through the fields of tomorrow, where innovation grows alongside our crops, and the future of farming is a breathtaking blend of tradition and technology. Thanks for watching.